So today, this is my baby 3-quart Instant Pot. Yes, I have 2 of them. One for home, one for traveling, and the little one travels well and is a good spare when I'm cooking lots of things. So today, I'm going to do a very quick lesson on how to make yogurt. So we are going to put a half a gallon of whole milk, because I like whole fat yogurt, but you can put 2% or 1% or skim milk in here. Okay. The lid closed, and up here on ceiling, so it's turned all the way clockwise. And down here, find your yogurt button. It might be different than mine. And just go to it until it says boil, and let it boil. It will let you know when it's done. That's the first step. And we're back. It's been about, 15 or 20 minutes. The milk boiled and it says yogurt. So we're going to open it up. It's not under pressure. And then what I do, so it will cool off quicker, is I take it out and place it outside and turn this off. So it needs to cool down to 100 degrees, but it can get a lot cooler than that if you want to go off and leave for several hours. The one thing you don't want to have happen is you don't want to have a big thick skin form on the top of it. So just cover it with something, a plate, a lid, some saran wrap or wax paper, and that will keep it from forming a skin on the top of it. And when it's cooled down to 100, we will continue. It's been a while, a couple hours. I left the house and the milk has become quite tepid. We're going to put it back into the Instant Pot, and 1, 2, I'm going to put 3. 3 tablespoons. Yum. 3 tablespoons of plain yogurt. It's best to use plain, but you can use any kind of plain. I normally use a couple tablespoons from the yogurt that I had left over, but I forgot and didn't leave any over, so I had to go buy some. So here we are. We're going to set it to ceiling there. The silver button will never pop up because it won't be under pressure. And we're going to hit yogurt. We don't want boil. We're going to leave it at 24 hours. I normally use 12 to 14 hours, but I set it for 24, and it will start ticking it off. And it's in the evening now, and I will go to bed, and sometime tomorrow morning we will open it up. Well, good morning, rise and shine. I slept in. So it has been 15, almost 16 hours that the yogurt has been cooking. and it's not under pressure. So we just twist and open. And here, oh, that smells great. And you can see how it is nice yogurt. And this is excellent yogurt, and you can eat it just like this. However, I love Greek yogurt. So I'm going to continue on and show you what I do next. Often people would put the yogurt in cheesecloth to drain the liquid out of it, but I prefer coffee filters. So I have a big bowl, and then I put into it a colander that is lined with fairly large coffee filters. And then I put the yogurt in it for several hours. Here we have the yogurt sitting in the colander. I just want to show you that the whey is coming out very nicely. The whey should be clear. It might be slightly yellowish, but it should not be milky. If it's got white or milk color in it, then that means you have a leak in your coffee filters. Not the end of the world. So you can leave it like this for a couple hours, and it will get to the consistency of Greek yogurt. And then if you leave it here for the rest of the day, it will get to the consistency of not quite as hard cream cheese, but almost. It's been about 2 hours. And we have a considerable amount of whey. You can Google what you can do with the whey. Put it in your smoothies. I happen to feed it to the chickens. They love it. And if you're wondering how to get this out of here easily, the way I do it is I take a spatula and I push down and I come up this way. Start in the center and pull up. Start in the center and pull up. And that way you can get it all out fairly easily. Serve Greek yogurt classically with honey and walnuts.